We've been working with some student scientists from Joslyn Elementary, learning about pollinators. Today, they're continuing their study here at the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center. Ramiro Villalbazo, who is a forest supervisor with the U.S. Forest Service, will be leading this first group of students out in the field today. Ramiro, what are you and the students going to be doing out there?
Hello, Tamberly, and hello, everyone out there. I'm here with the Pollinator Patrol. They are Samantha, Tyrone, Allie, and Brianna. We are going to be going out to the field to look at plants and their pollinators. We will be looking for insects and other animals like hummingbirds who are pollinators. We will record their behavior and notice what shrubs, flowers, and trees they like to visit and land on. Also, we will be observing flower colors, shapes, and scents, and recording what we find. We will be using these cool field books to gather our information. Tamberly, as you know, science is the process of using all of our senses to learn about the natural world. By doing this, we develop and test our hypothesis about our observations and develop new ones. So now, my scientific friends, it is very important that we do an outstanding job at observing as we begin our journey to learn about pollinators. You with me?
Yeah!
Right. Back to you, Tamberly.
Thanks, Ramiro. I'm really curious to see what all of you are going to find out there today in the gardens. So we'll be checking back with you later to see what Ramiro and the Pollinator Patrol have discovered out there. Later, pollinators. Now, let me introduce Chelsea Corcoran-Quat, who is an environmental educator and biologist with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. She's with some students from Joslyn Elementary in another part of the garden. Chelsea, can you tell us what you're going to be doing out there?
Tamberly, our student scientists today are going to be observing 2 patches of flowers here at the Color Gardens. Now, many citizen science activities involve making observations of pollinators and then submitting the results. So today we have the busy bees, Jacob and Daquam, and they're going to be observing these bluebonnet flowers right here. Now, if you take a look, these bluebonnets have a tubular shape, which are great for pollinators to just sneak in and pollinate. And over here we have the painted ladies, Sadie and Chloe, and they're going to be observing these cone flowers here. Now, if you notice these flowers, they have that broad platform, which is a great thing for pollinators to just come in and land right on. Now, we're going to be using a very similar observation sheet that the Pollinator Patrol is using, and we're going to be testing a hypothesis that's based on previous information that's been given. Now, busy bees, what do you guys hypothesize that's going to happen with these blue bonnets here?
We totally think that it will attract more bees than butterflies.
These are going to totally attract more bees than butterflies? All right. And let's see, painted ladies, what do you guys hypothesize is going to happen here with these cone flowers?
We totally think that there are going to be more more butterflies attracted than bees.
More butterflies attracted to bees? All right, well, we've got a little competition going on. That's great. We're excited to see what we might find out and what other pollinators we might see in the process.